Nice trade last night in ES NightTrader. It was a good time to trade. This strategy had a loss. The previous trade before that had a loss. And so this one actually came, it got in over here. Let me find the entry point for you. Got in here 28.50. Was close to its profit target up here. And sometimes that happens, roll over and was stopped out. And then the next trade was a winner, and that was last night. And so it can always be a good time in a strategy with a percentage of profitability at 80%. When you see a strategy that has 80% profitability after one loser, it can be a good time to get in. Maximum consecutive losing trades is 3 in the last 3 years. Here's the trade analysis. I like to look at this. So you see the winning series. It's had as many as 20 winners in a row, and it's had one loser in a row 24 times. 2 losers in a row and 3 don't happen often since 2016. Historically, past performance is not indicative of future results, but this is what this strategy has been doing recently. In spite of the sell-off last fall, that happened right here. It held up well. And so you see the loss here in the equity curve did this, and then the winning trade did this. And so working towards an equity peak, that is the ES NightTrader, the latest trade on that strategy. Cobra III, E-mini NASDAQ, here are the latest trades. We talked about how there were 2 losers in a row last week, and it can be a good time to enter trades. And so it was a couple of winners here on the short side. Market doesn't trend much during the day, especially on the downside lately, but it will phase into that eventually. The markets go through periods of time where it won't trend intraday. You see the trend, big gap down overnight. You see the moves overnight are the smoothest and the best trends lately, while there's a hesitation to give away a trend intraday, but that changes, that goes in cycles. And so there were a couple of winners here on the short side, and now it's long today, intraday. E-mini NASDAQ is long at 72.56.75, and so we'll see how that trade works itself out. Cobra III, E-mini NASDAQ, E-mini S&P NightTrader, a couple of my favorite strategies right now in this market.